at the Boeing Museum and Future of Flight. So we're gonna go in, pick up some stuff, and hopefully get some souvenirs again. Keep those. You're gonna get a passport, and the parents are gonna be getting some pens as well.
Nice.
There you are.
No passport for me.
Downstairs is the gallery, upstairs is the sky deck, and the TV, flight line of all the planes going by.
Okay, cool.
We can take you on a brief walk around the gallery, just to show you what exhibits, what restaurants we have and such, give you an idea where everything is. We can tell you a little bit more about the project Boeing is involved with. Or if you wish, you can just go exploring on your own and just enjoy it. Two up there. This airplane is in development with another company and Aviation, and it's actually fairly close to reality right now. We're doing some testing on it. Looks as though within the next few years it might actually be in flight.
Wow.
Now we move around this way and then we move forward beyond that. And Boeing is.
The fuselage gets narrower where the wings are attached. The bulged fuselage expands where the wings are attached. The cylindrical fuselage is a straight tube. The pinched fuselage gets narrower where the wings are attached. The wings of your jet provide lift. The shape of your wings is critical to speed and maneuverability. Try to select wings that will give you both. You can find out more about it. Straight wings are perpendicular to the fuselage and typically have more surface area than other wing shapes. Swept wings are angled to reduce drag. Delta wings are shaped like a triangle, like the Greek letter delta.
Delta.
The tail provides stability. Try to canard can be thought of as a type of tail, but it's located toward the front of the aircraft. The twin tail features two vertical stabilizers. Most airplanes have a single tail. A canard can be thought of as a type of tail, but most airplanes have a single tail. Good job, your design is complete. Now pick a color for your jet.
Ooh, okay.
Choose the color you want. Your jet looks terrific. The last step is to add your tail number. Choose your country from the drop-down list. This assigns the correct country code. Now, use the number pad to enter a 3-digit tail number. You'll need this number to access your design at the flight station. So choose a number you can remember.
715.
Just to be sure you've got it, please enter your 3-digit tail number again. Number confirmed. You're all set.
9715.
Report to any open flight station to put your design to the test. Be sure to remember your number.
Yay! 9715.
Design access.
Welcome to pilot board.
Ready?
Escort will take you to a
I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try.
Okay.
supersonic speed
Mm.
design and pilot First,
Tyler.
you're familiar with your pilot. Pilot your jet using the control stick. The stick is inactive during the demonstration. 2, 1.
Ooh. Nice, Tyler. Control it, baby. Control it. Nice.
Welcome back, pilot. Stand by for results.
Go off into the sky deck, which is which is their apparent plane squatting spot, or something like that, here in on the top of the museum.
I know.
Wow. So Tyler, where are the airplanes here?
Because as you can see, a lot of things that haven't been painted yet. They only have their tail. For example, here.
Which one?
Like, this little arrow over here, you can see where it is like around the tail. But the whole body of the plane is still white.
Mm.
But this one, this A&A down here,
Where do they get picked up, Tyler?
we usually get from North Carolina all the way over here to be painted usually.
And then where do they get picked up?
And then they usually go to like various destinations all around the world.
Yeah, but where do they pick up? They pick up here from Washington, yeah?
Yes, they pick up. Yeah, they pick up here from Washington. We have come to the end of our aviation journey at Everett and Seattle, Washington. Thank you for joining me today, and I will be up in the gift shop if you need me.
Go Boeing!